think, and I was just saying this a little while ago, I think Indians, like as Indians, we are blessed with really good thick black hair, and I think most actresses have really good hair. I think
that's
so.
Being a bit diplomatic.
I'm not being diplomatic. I'm saying we're lucky to be blessed with good hair. It's in our genes. I honestly prefer being as natural as possible. So it would have to be something that would really suit my skin tone and something as close to being natural as possible. But just maybe to give it a little depth. You know, you could go like a shade or two lighter, but that's about it. I wouldn't do anything too drastic. I use TRESemmé products at home on a regular basis because I really believe in them and they really work for my hair, and especially with this new range of the TRESemmé Hair Spa Rejuvenation. It's done wonders for me. I've been using it ever since I've been introduced to it, and it gives me the ability to have a hair spa at home in the comfort of my own home without, you know, having to deal with making an appointment at a salon and then going and spending time there, and you know, it doesn't fit into my schedule always. So this is a great way to just sit at home, relax and get my hair done and come out with great salon looking hair on a regular basis. I've been with TRESemmé for almost 2 years now and it's been a great experience. I was always very, you know, keen on endorsing a brand that I was convinced about, and with TRESemmé I really am convinced because I use their products at home every day on a regular basis.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.